In this video, we are going to discuss about the common industry standards of bursting strength tester. In industries like packaging, textiles and medical supplies, ensuring material durability is critical. That's where bursting strength testing comes in. At Testronix Instruments, we help businesses maintain quality compliance with precision testing equipments. In this video, we will break down the key industry standards for bursting strength testing and how our machine ensure accuracy every time. Bursting strength testing measures the maximum pressure a material can withstand before rupturing. It is crucial for corrugated boxes to prevent shipping damages and medical delivery packaging to ensure stability. Our Testronix bursting strength testers delivers accurate, repeatable results, helping you meet global quality standards. The key industry standards for paper, either for the single ply or multiply, are ISO 2758 for paper determination of bursting strength. It applies to paper, paperboard and liner board. Measures hydraulic pressure required to burst the sample, commonly used for printing papers, craft paper and packaging liners. The other industry standards are TAPPI T403 and ASTM D774/D774M. These are the standards for the bursting strength of paper. These standards, where TAPPI T403 are widely followed in North America, ASTM D774 is used for general paper testing. The industry standards for the corrugated sheet are ISO 2759, TAPPI T810, JIS P8131, where ISO 2759 is used for the board determination of bursting strength, which is specifically for corrugated fiber board, solid board and folding box board, which measures burst resistance of combined layer, liner plus fluting. TAPPI T810, it is used for the US standards for corrugated packaging, critical for shipping boxes, e-commerce packaging. JISP 8131, it is used by Japanese industrial standards used in Asian market. Industry standards for monocarton are ISO 2759, ASTM F2054, BSEN 23030. ISO 2759 is used for pharmaceutical packaging, cosmetic boxes, food cartons, where ASTM F2054 is relevant for sealed cartons. BSEN 23030 ensures cartons are tested under controlled humidity or temperature. TAPPI T403 is widely used in the US for corrugated packaging. Different industries follow different standards. Our Testronix bursting strength tester is designed to comply with all major global standards, ensuring your product meet regulatory requirements. These standards matters because of the compliance required for export or import and quality control, which ensures box durability during shipping and handling. It has also brand reputation, which prevent product damage claim due to weak packaging. Our bursting strength testers are pre-configured to comply with paper and corrugated products, US market and global compliance. At Testronix Instruments, we don't just sell testers, we provide complete quality assurance solutions. Our machines are trusted by leading manufacturers worldwide for their precision, durability and compliance. Ready to upgrade your bursting strength testing? Visit testronixinstruments.com today to explore our range or contact our experts for a personalized demo. Don't compromise on quality. Choose Testronix for reliable, standards compliant testing solutions.